You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be showing you a new version of MACD that you can use compared to your normal MACD that gives more accurate and precise signal. Let's jump right in. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Like I said, I want to show you an indicator which is the MACDs. These two MACDs, we are going to compare them in today's video. Now if you don't know how to use the MACD indicator, please check the channel. You will see a full guide on how to use the MACD indicator. So we are going to compare the normal MACD and this new version of MACD that I'm going to show you right now for more precise and accurate scalping, daily and swing trading signal. So all you need to do is to come back to this very area of indicators, and when you come back here, you type MACD. So once you type MACD right here, then you see moving average, convergence, divergence. You click on it and it's going to show on your chart right here. Now this is the normal MACD. Don't change anything on the settings right here, leave it as it is, and then you come back to indicators again and you search for zero lag MACD. So you search for zero lag MACD. Now when you search for zero lag MACD, it will bring out these options. Now one thing you have to understand is that we are only interested in zero lag MACD enhanced version 1.2 by Albert Callisto. Now if you notice, if you come back down, you see the version 1.1 and you also have version 1.0. Now we are not interested in these two versions because this is the latest version. So if you click on this version 1.2 by Albert Callisto, it will add this very MACD to your chart. Now one thing you have to do as well is to come back right here to settings on the zero lag MACD that you've added to your chart. Then you come back to this very area, you see MACD EMA period, come back to style, and then you remove this very MACD. Why are we removing it? Because it is not needed for this comparison. Since we have the MACD line and the signal line on the normal MACD, we are only also interested in the MACD line and the signal line on the zero lag MACD. So if you come back to the settings and then you go to style, untick this EMA on MACD line. So if you untick it and then click OK, it will remove that very EMA line. And then one thing you have to also notice on this very MACD is that we have a dot right here at the upper side of the MACD and the lower side of the MACD, which also indicates buy and sell signals. That is at the point of crossover between the MACD line and the signal line right at this point before market begin to come back to the downside. You can as well remove this very dots by going to the settings right at this very area, and then you untick this dot and click OK. Now it gives a smooth view on the both MACDs. Now this is the normal MACD that you do use, and this is the zero lag MACD. Now why are we using the zero lag MACD? The zero lag MACD gives a more precise and accurate signal compared to the normal MACD, and this comparison is what we're going to do in today's video. The zero lag MACD uses a zero lag EMA instead of the normal EMA that this normal MACD use. So because of the fact that it uses a zero lag EMA, it helps reduce the chance of lagging of the MACD in the market compared to the normal MACD that you do use and you are trading. So very importantly, the MACD is a lagging indicator, and as such it lags behind the market. Now what that means is, for example, in this case, see market starts coming back to the downside from this very area to the downside. If you look at the normal MACD, market was still showing you that market is going to the upside with these green bars right here. The same thing at this very area, you see market was consolidating at this very area, but it was still showing you green bars, although reduced momentum. Let's do the comparison between these two MACDs. Now if you look at this very area, this is a current market price, and BTC is trading at $29,000 as at the recording of this very video. And if you look at it very well, with the normal MACD, you see market begin to move to the upside from this very area upward. Now the normal MACD is still showing you red bars on the negative side of the MACD, which means the market is coming back to the downside. But if you look at the zero lag MACD, it has start formation on the positive side of the MACD with green bars. Not only that, there is a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line at this very area. This means that it gives a more accurate signal compared to the normal MACD right at this point. Now if you come back here as well, you discover also that the normal MACD is still showing you that the market is coming back to the downside, just like market was going down from this very area right here up to this very point of support. And if you look at this normal MACD, market was going down, but all of a sudden the market changed its direction to the upside, but the normal MACD is still going down. Now if you look at the zero lag MACD, you discover that there is a crossover. Immediately the market start moving to the upside, there is a crossover between the MACD line and the signal. Like not only that, the green bar start formation on the positive side of the MACD almost immediately, indicating that the zero lag MACD is more precise and give more accurate signal compared to the normal MACD that you do use in your trading. Now this is another buy setup or buy signal, and if you look at this area as well, the same thing, you discover that the zero lag MACD already have a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line, and also the histogram have started formation on the positive side with green bars, while the normal MACD is still forming on the negative side with red bars. And then if you go on and on, now if you look at this very area, let's say for example, if you look at this very area on the chart, market come back to the downside. Now before market come back down at this very point, you discover that the zero lag MACD have shown you an indication that the market is going to come back to the downside for a short opportunity. Now on the normal MACD, the market is still showing you that it's going to move to the upside with green bars on the positive side of the MACD. This is also an indication that the zero lag MACD is very more precise compared to the normal MACD that you are seeing right here. If you know how to use the MACD indicator, the zero lag MACD is much more precise and give accurate signal compared to the normal MACD. So you can decide whether to switch it back right now to the zero lag MACD instead of using the normal MACD for your trading. Like I said, if you don't know how to use the MACD indicator for your trading, you can check the channel. I have a complete full guide on how to use the MACD indicator for profitable trading. So this is a comparison between the zero lag MACD, which is this one below right here, and the normal MACD indicator. And if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, check the description of this video, see contact. You contact me immediately and enroll for our courses. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification bell. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.